Mano pubbang gama dhamma mano settha manomaya manasace paduttena bhasati va karoti va tato nang dukkha manvete cakkang vavahato padang. Mind precedes all mental states. Mind is their chief. They are all mind-wrought. If with an impure mind a person speaks or acts, suffering follows him like the whale that follows the foot of the ox. These stanzas focus our mind. There are many sayings or lines about our mind. There is scholars told, but anyone couldn't say this is the mind correctly except blessed one. What we do, what we say, what we think, are they all bad? Are they all good? If those are bad, if those actions, words, thoughts are impure, that means we have to suffer. We have to sad. It means that result comes tear. That result comes like a whale that follows foot of the ox. Don't do the work repentant.